Hello, hello. Been a while since I've taken a look at any home and health related products, but that's what I have today. It is a pillbox, a 7-day digital pill organizer, LED light alarm, reminders, 7 days pill organizer, lightweight, 4 groups, clock, easy carry, alarm reminder pillbox from a company called Hugh Birrell, Birrell, and it's $10.99 on Amazon. Prime shipping, of course. And yeah, that's about it. Blue, but there is also a green one as well. Now, yeah, I don't know, it seems like everybody is taking a pill or numerous pills every day. And I mean, I take, I take several vitamins and stuff like that. I do have some health issues, and I have to take some prescriptions and quite a few vitamins, actually. But, I don't remember. I rarely remember to take them, at a certain time. I guess I don't have to. But anyway, everybody takes pills. Even my dog is actually, my dog takes pills. We call our broken puppy. But yeah. Anyway, this is it here. This is the pill box. And this does pop out like so, which is kind of cool, I think. You could take it with you. Batteries are in there. There's 2 little of the watch type battery button cells, you want to call them. Power, maybe, somehow. Hold S button for 3 seconds to activate a timer. Okay, set the clock, set the alarm. Back view. Okay, LED backlight as well. Huh. Okay, but now, here's the pill box. Plastic, of course. It's clear. I like it's clear so you can see what's in it to make sure you took whatever. And they snap open, and they're fairly nice. They're sturdy. They are sturdy. They snap closed very tightly, so the pills are not going to fall out if you put them in your bag. You put them in your bag for going away or something like that. Let me see what's going on here. What's up with this guy here? Let's try this. Oh, okay. What was that? Ah. Okay, maybe not. I thought there was, sometimes there's a little paper spacer in there to keep the batteries from activating. Wow, okay. They're not easy to get in, as you can see. So I would not advise taking them out, unless you really have to, which I don't think you do. Alright, let's try this again. Let's pull this on there. Okay, there we go. Now, I heard a beep. Okay. DTD, press and hold. So 1, 2, 3. Oh, there we go. That's what I did wrong. Okay, there it is. There. There's that. There's the light. Check it out. Oh, cool. So you can even take your pills in the dark if you need to. But anyway, let me play with it. And I'll do a full review of it, which is gonna be short. I mean, this could be the review right here, I guess. But it does have multiple functions. 7 days digital pillbox is what it's called. Organizer reminders, lightweight, convenient, unique as it comes in blue color. Power off a timer, HSM button at the same time if you don't need it. But I do like the clock. The clock is nice even if you don't use a timer. There's a clock in there, of course. Anyway, that's it. Thanks.